What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today I wanted to talk to you about Pepe coin, a coin I was very skeptical about, but obviously it's been performing incredibly well. It's been mooning. It's been listed on Coinbase. It's listed on a lot of exchanges, something I never saw coming. I had a chance to buy it early. I didn't, but I am opening a little position on it now. Now, why am I doing this? I think in the next few years, this is one of the coins that will stand out, that will shoot further. I can obviously be wrong, but I have found several price predictions corroborating my story. And if you saw my last video, I dollar cost average in. And either if it goes up or down, either way, I will be protected for a very long time. Let's get into the rest of the video and not bore you with more of the intro. Just a quick reminder, my personal opinion, I'm not an advisor, financial advisor, or whatsoever. If you like the video, please leave a like and obviously subscribe. I enjoy making these videos, and if you want me to make more of them, leaving a like and a subscribe will get me a long way there, especially for the YouTube gods, the YouTube algorithm. It will push my video more. All right, let's get into the video. So here we are, guys, at CoinMarketCap. Pepe coin, looking at the monthly, obviously a huge rise in it. Even though it's risen that far, I still think there's plenty of gravy left, or meat left on the bone. Gravy left on the bone, that's obviously wrong. But yeah, I think there's plenty of meat left on the bone. Obviously, it recently, in the last few days, got listed on Coinbase, which I think is the one of the reasons of this big influx. More people being able to buy it more easily. Obviously, Coinbase is one of the bigger exchanges, so it's easy for people to buy, people who already have funds in crypto to shift into it, which I think is the pump after this. Obviously, also because of Bitcoin going up crazily, and now that Bitcoin's stabilizing, I'm thinking that the volume will shift. Once that pump is a little bit done, all the volume will shift. Other traders, other people like me will be looking for different opportunities. I myself am, right after this video, probably before it uploads, I will be buying a little bit of Pepe coin, just as a DCA, just to start my position in it. I might sell it again and buy back cheaper, but that all depends on the market. But I am never completely out. I always leave a little bit to expose myself to the potential upside. If we go down, I just buy a little bit more. Longer term, especially the predictions I'm going to take you through, all show very bullish and much higher. Obviously, it will not be a straight shoot up. We could go lower, much lower, but if we stick to our plan, we will come out ahead. That being said, I wanted to grab the other chart, but oh yeah, there we go. It's not, it wasn't loading very fast. I think BITUNIX is a bit busy at the moment with high volume, but as you can see, we had a big push up. We've lowered slightly, and I think this is a good position for me to open a little position in my spot buys. Like I said, a dollar cost average option is, I think it's a good time. If we drop down further, I will be adding on to that position, possibly all the way back down around this level. But even then, it exposes us to a better potential upside. Combined with our with the last video I posted about that, I'm thinking at least the next 4 years will be crypto Valhalla, so to say, and I think more and more volume will flow into it, and more people will be looking at cheaper crypto. Obviously, Bitcoin is still the mother of all crypto, the most popular one, but a lot of people like me, like you, will be searching for alternatives, cheaper coins with higher upside potentials, and I think Pepe is one of the ideal coins for that, or tokens for that, considering its lower market cap, but it is higher than all the more risky coins, the lower meme coins, which stand chance of rugging tomorrow or in an hour. This is one of the meme coins that has stood a bit of the test of time and movement. So this is one with a lot of upside potential, a lot of bullish forecasts, and it's cheaper. People will think they'll be owning lots of coins, and it will instantly make them feel like millionaires, even though the coin itself is worth less than even the tiniest fragment of a penny. They'll be holding so much of it that it feels more. It feels like it's worth a lot more. And this is psychologically, sorry, an advantage for us. It will push belief in this coin more. And yeah, I think that is, it basically fits all the criteria for a possible moonshot coin, in my opinion. That's one of the reasons I'm opening a position in it. So if we look at the first prediction, Coin Codex, I was scrolling through this earlier. Like potential ROIs, obviously this is very short term, but I think this is very possible. We could see some very strange movements still after some volumes start to flow out of Bitcoin. Like October, November has till now at least has been very crazy, especially in its volume, especially after the election. I don't think anybody completely saw coming what was happening, but it happened, so we can anticipate what will happen next. So short term, yeah, obviously we could go much higher. Uh, Potential ROI December. I personally think we will see a bigger dip in December because traditionally it's happened. It's not to say it will happen, but it could happen. So if we dip down further, I buy more. We go further up, I might take some profits and wait for the eventual dip to come and buy back in. For 2025, obviously all green months. I don't think that will happen, but I do think the year over year will be good. And that's what we want. We want those yearly gains. We want to consistently build up our portfolio year over year. We see a red month, we buy more. That's the tactic. We stick to it. So this is the first one, and all of them, I mean, they're almost all of them. This is fairly conservative. But if we look at Forbes, price prediction 2024 for November, it's a bit of an older article, obviously, otherwise it wouldn't be telling the future, but pretty bang on for November. December, I kind of agree with this. It could be lower, higher, or it could start to frequent, and then obviously it could be lower, it could be higher, it could be the exactly the same. But I don't think we will see huge movements in December yet. What I do think is in 2025, like 2024, 8, pretty high. It could happen. I don't think it will, but it could. I think this target for 2025 is more realistic. It shows a little bit stagnant, but even this, if we hit one of these targets, the first one, second one, third one, or second and the third are the same on this one, it is still a huge move up, and it will effectively quadruple our money, and that is a good day any day, even if it doubles. 100% added on, I'll take any day. Then we have another prediction. This predicts it up to 2030. Obviously, this is all up. It might not do that. It might go halfway quarterly. Even the yearly targets, I am more than happy with. So, like I said, huge upside potential. Obviously, there is always a risk of going down, but if the cheaper we buy more, the higher our upside is year over year. So this is also extremely bullish, extremely high numbers, killing a zero. Who knows? Very good. Pepe coin. Pepe price prediction after Pepe doubles in a week. Doubles in a week. We're looking at yearly targets. So doubles in a week as opposed to yearly targets. In my opinion, sooner we buy, the better price we are guaranteed in the long run. So short term, some key levels to watch. I don't look too much short term, especially with a new position, because I'm not that invested in it yet. So I won't be moving huge amounts of money in it. So I look for a little dip, I buy. I don't look too much at the technicals, at least not short term, because I believe in the longer term. Then we look at the last one, investinghaven.com, price predictions. Well, through the 2024, obviously an easy prediction, pretty bang on. 2025, yeah, this would be a 2x. I think is close to happening. 2026, 5. I mean, who knows? Who knows? It could go higher, it could go lower than that, but the general outlook on all these forecasts is bullish. And like I said, it's been settled in, it's forming its loyal base basically, and people every year put more money into crypto, will put more money into this coin. It's almost a no-brainer. But obviously, there's also very high risks involved in this. That's why I put a portion of it in, and I won't shift my entire portfolio in it. Obviously, there's a lot of great projects out there, but these are the predictions I wanted to share with you. And this is why this is the reason why I started my position in it. All right, that's all I wanted to share with you today. And yeah, feel free to leave a like or a comment or subscribe. Or if you have a question or a completely different opinion, if you think I'm crazy, feel free to let me know. Post it in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.